Hey, I'm Chris Matherly. This is the video Morel Report for the end of March 31st, 2019. Georgia foray went really well. We found over 30 pounds as a group and a few big ones. And everybody had a good time. Really good trip. Hey, everybody say motherload. Motherload! It was a little hot on Saturday, and Sunday turned cold, and I had to cook it with my winter coat on. So that's how the weather has been rolling. Here's the reports for the past week, the 23rd through the 31st of March. We had reports in Alabama, Arizona came in for the first time. Arkansas still getting good reports.